Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Adam the Bears. This is Orca Slicer. This is a follow-up video. So in previous video I showed you how to do a temperature tower, and when you print it you will know more or less exactly the temperature for your filament. So next step would be to create your custom profile for your filament. Let's do it. It is very easy. So I will switch from this eSun PLA Plus filament to, for example, Voron generic PLA, just like that. And I'm using Voron. You can do it for any printer, so I will show you the Voron printer. So we have here, as I said, Voron generic PLA, and we are going to customize it. So we need to click this icon, click to edit preset, just like that, and we go to temperatures. I print PLA mostly for the bed at 45 degrees, that's enough for me. So let's do 45, and let's say we saw that temperature tower, and the temperature tower showed us 215 degrees for PLA filament. So what I do most of the time, I print the first layer a little bit hotter than the rest, so I will leave the first layer at 220 and the rest would be 215 degrees. You can go up and we can see the type filament is PLA. You can switch it to something else, but this is for PLA. Vendor, you can type anything you want over there, but the very important part is this one. When you want to change the filament profile name, first you need to click this Save Current Filament, just like that, and we will call it Custom PLA, just like that. When we will save it, hit OK. Now we have it and we can use it all the time. So this is easy to do it for any other filaments you have. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. This is the way.